What's up, gang? We're back again with another video. Y'all know what it is. We are out here in, where are we at? Mineral Wells, Texas. We got invited to a super private spot out here, a couple private lakes on this 500-acre ranch, and yeah, man, we've been having a decent day so far, but we got a box right here that we got from Shop Karl's. So yeah, I want to give a huge shout out to Shop Karl's for sponsoring this video. Boys over there, Karl's Bait and Tackle, man, they did an awesome job boxing this up, but as you can tell, I'm sure y'all are wondering what the heck is going on with this thing. It looked like good old Jason Voorhees or Michael Myers got a hold of this. So yeah, let me flip over to that real quick and show y'all what exactly happened to this box.
Give me that. You can't open it. It's Daddy's. You can't do his unboxing. Daddy has to do the unboxing. For his YouTube people. Presley.
All right, after checking that out, y'all saw my daughter got a little overzealous. She wanted to open this package, and that's all right though. We're gonna hurry up and get this thing cracked open, and we're gonna see what's going on in here. So let's bust this thing open. Get my good old Jason Voorhees on myself. Let's get this thing ripped open and let's see what we got going on up in here. All right, first thing in the box, some bubble wrap. We don't need that. Oh, looks like we got ourselves a t-shirt up in this thing. Look at that. Mystery Tackle Box Pro shirt. Shout out to the boys over at Mystery Tackle Box for sending that through for you, boy. You know what? Let's go ahead and throw that thing on real quick. Woo, look at that, boys, right there. We got us an MTV shirt right there. That's nice and cute looking like that right there. Good old pro. And what else we got in the box? Oh, we got ourselves a face shield. Love these things. These things are perfect in the summertime. Great when it's hot, sun is beaming down on you, cooking your skin. Definitely don't want no skin cancer. These things right here are definitely gonna save your skin. That thing right there is nice. That good old, love these bright colors, man. MTV Necco, throw that thing on, see what it's looking like. Oh yeah, it's nice and comfortable too. Bam. We are ready to slay some bass. All right, man, just letting y'all know right off the rip, this box has got some juice in it. It's got some real good stank in it. Some good smelling stuff up in here, and it's definitely gonna get ate. Looks like we got a box full of BioSpawn lures. And right there is the juice. Money bag. So let's see what we got going off the rip. We got the plasma tail worm. This thing right here looks like something, it's almost like a zoom trick worm. Definitely something that's gonna get a lot of bites out here. You can Texas rig this thing up, throw it out there weightless, throw it out there with a little bit of some woo tungsten, 1/4 ounce shot of woo, drag and drop that thing on the bottom. Might even actually be able to rig that up on a power shot. If y'all aren't familiar with that rig, that's a drop shot style rig, but it's made for a little bit heavier tackle to go a little bit deeper and to get slightly larger fish. So yeah, that BioSpawn Lures plasma tail worm. No color, but it looks like it's got some watermelon red flake, green pumpkin mixed in there. That's what that color is. That's what we're gonna call that. Watermelon red. Next one up, we got the Vile Crawl. That right there is gonna make an awesome, excellent jig trailer. Actually, I'm gonna throw that thing on the jig today. That's gonna get ate today while we're out here. So this one right here is in a, looks like a slightly lighter June bug color. That is nice. The Vile Crawl. Got some scent on it as well. Some oil and salt flavor on there. What's next? Ooh, a Vile bug. There, it's juicy. And that color, I know that color. That's Alabama crawl right there. That one right there gets the munch. A beast of a bug. It's got those ribs in it right there. You can drip some scent, some flavor up in there for the fish. Definitely gonna make an awesome jig trailer. You can throw that on a flipping hook, flip that into some heavy cover on a nice flipping rig, punch shot rig, anything you want. That right there, that's a nice style bug. It's gonna definitely get a lot of bites. Those paddles on those appendages right there are probably gonna kick a lot in the water. It's gonna just come flowing through the water. That right there, the Vile bug. What else we got in the box? There we go. These right here. It's one of my favorite baits right there. EXO Swing. That thing right there. You pair that thing with an owner flashy swimmer, 3-aught hook, bruh. That right there is gonna get a munch. That color, what color is that? Nope. No color on the box. Karl, you gotta put some colors on the packs so people know what color they are. Just a heads up. But yeah, that right there, and that looks like a baby bass colorway. That's what that looks like. It's got some shimmer on the bottom, a little silver, green up top. We'll call that baby bass. But yeah, that thing right there. It's got some scent on it as well. It smells a little bit like shad. Yeah, the XO Swim. That's gonna get munched. That's definitely getting tied onto there as well. What else do we got? Oh, we got another pack of them. Another pack of XO Swim, different color. Same style bait. That one's like a green pumpkin with some silver on the bottom. Lots of good glitter in that. See that? That's a nice laminate on that. That's really good looking. And then we got the good old-fashioned XO stick, baby. That right there is just like a Cinco. But these ribs in this worm kick off the most amazing action that you'll ever see. This right here is like a green pumpkin with some purple flake in it. Definitely some green flake in there. That right there, wacky rig. Wacky rig that XO stick up. Trashed. And we're gonna rig one up. And we're gonna throw that right out here. And all this cover that y'all see out there, all of that, it's way out there. That XO stick is gonna be money. That color right there, in this water. So yeah, that looks like that's everything that's in the box. Again, we get a humongous shout out. Karl's Bait and Tackle. Boys over at Mystery Tackle Box, Catch Co. For hooking your boy up. Some new plastics. These are all gonna come in handy today, and we're definitely gonna try this stuff on. And yeah, right now, you save 30% on karlsbaitandtackle.com if you go over there. Remember, save 30% off all your baits, your apparel, and other stuff. So go on over to Shop Karl's and sign up. It's that easy. I'm gonna do it. I've done it. See? ShopKarls.com. Get on it. So yeah, till the next one. That's what you do now. Let's go look for fish. Peace.